Okay, children. So today I will take your revision, which is chapter number 21. So this is also very important for you all because this will come in your next essay one exam. Okay. So India, a rich culture. Every country has many national features which are
And first one is mango.
Just wait. I will ask you. I will ask you then, Arhan. Not now.
Second one is India rupee.
Wait.
Third one is banyan tree. Fourth one is king cobra. Fifth one is Ganga. Sixth one is lion, capital of Ashoka.
Yes. When I will ask you, then you will reply, children. Why you are replying yourself only? So every country has many national features which are antique in nature. India is one of the oldest civilization in the world with its rich cultural heritage. Some pictures of the national symbols are given below. Try to name them with the help of the utility box. Okay. So can you see all of you? Select the name of this national symbol. So what is our national fruit? Shehzad, tell me. Tafim, what is our national fruit?
Mango.
Mango, yes. Our national fruit is mango.
Indian currency.
Yes. Now what is our currency? Tanveer, tell me. Adrika, Deepayan, all
Yes, ma'am. Indian rupee.
Indian rupee.
Indian rupee.
Very good. Now what is our national tree?
Banyan.
Aparna?
Banyan.
Banyan tree. Very good. Now next, what is our national reptile?
King cobra. Cobra. King cobra.
Very good. What is the
It is Ganga. It is
Ganga.
Ganga.
The national river is
Capital. Lion capital of Ashoka.
Now the next one.
And the capital emblem. Capital of Ashoka. Lion capital of Ashoka.
Very good, children. So our national fruit is mango. Our national currency is
Indian rupee.
Our national
Kenyan. 100%. Kenyan. And Ganga and the
national river is
lion capital of Ashoka.
national reptile is our national reptile is okay. What is our national emblem?
Lion capital of Ashoka.
Okay. Okay. Now turn the page, children. All of you turn the page. See, all of you can see here famous politicians. Now look at the pictures and write their names. Who is the first picture here? In the first picture, who is
Narendra Modi.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru.
Picture. Who is this? In the second picture, again, you see famous politician.
Hey.
Tell me,
And
children.
Dr. Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Yes. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Now the third picture you can say. Who is this? Rajendra Prasad.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Yes, very good, children. Now can you tell me who was known as the Tiger of Bengal?
Ashutosh Mukherjee. Dr. Ashutosh Mukherjee.
Yes.
Dr. Ashutosh Mukherjee.
Sir Ashutosh Mukherjee. Now who fought for the rights of women and abolition of sati?
Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
Yes, Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
Ram Mohan Roy.
Who was the first president of India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Very good, children. Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Who was the first prime minister of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru.
Who was the first prime minister of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Very good. Number 5. Who was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India?
Sardar Patel.
Yes, Sardar Patel. Very good. Who was called Chhatrapati?
Shivaji.
Yes.
Shivaji.
Shivaji was called Chhatrapati. Now, number 7. She is the first woman to become the President of India. Who was she? Pratibha Devi Singh Patil.
Singh Patel.
Number 8. Please current Prime Minister of India. Who is he?
Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi.
Very good, children. All of you have finished.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, children. Very good. Okay, so these are the right answers. Okay. So prepare this also. Chapter number 21 and 22 is very important. This revision chapter will also come in your exam. Okay.
In terms
Now all of you open chapter number 32. All of you can see chapter number 32. Everyone. All of you can see here chapter number 32. All of you open meaningful proverbs. So meaningful proverbs. You can see here. All of you chapter number 32. Page number 36. All of you can see meaningful proverbs. What you have to do? Choose the correct word to complete the proverb given below. Okay. So proverb ko most of the in Hindi what we say muhavre, and in English we say this proverbs. So the number 1, what will be the answer? The pen is mightier than the needle or sword. What will be the answer? Say Shahzad. The first answer will be the pen is mightier than the needle or sword. The pen is mightier than the sword. Pen is mightier than the sword. Number 2. Yes, Rick. Now you tell. When in Roman, do as the dash do. Indians or Romans? When in Roma, or when in Roman, do as the Romans.
Roman.
Very good. Very good. Romans. Number 3. Better than never. Better dash than never. Soon or late? What will be the answer? Better. Better, no, not soon. Better late than never. Okay, better late than never. Okay. Now see this one. There's no place like hotel or home. Hotel or home. There is no place like home. Very good. There is no place like home. God helps those who help themselves or yourself.
Yourself.
Yes.
Yourself.
An Indian Abhinaba, what will be the answer?
Themselves. Themselves. Themselves.
Very good. Very good. God helps those who help themselves. Now see the next one. The Payan tell. Cleanliness is dash to godliness. What will be the answer? Next. Very good. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Next. Number 7. Practice makes a man perfect. Very good.
Perfect.
The next one.
Four.
Tell me, Arhan, honesty is the
Best policy.
best policy. Very
Four
good.
policy.
Honesty is the best policy. So now you view the result. See, the pen is mightier than the sword. Okay, the pen is mightier than the sword. Okay. The second one, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Okay, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. The next one, better late than never. Okay, so the proverb is better late than never. There's no place like home. Okay, there's no place like home. The next one, God helps those who help themselves.
Themselves.
Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Next.
Cleanliness is next to godliness. The next one, practice makes a man perfect. Okay, practice
Perfect.
makes a man perfect. All of you have completed. Honesty is the best policy. Okay, honesty is the best policy. All of you have completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me everyone. Show me your book. Show me your book, everyone. Yes, Shehzad, very good. Very good. Adil, very good. Rith, very good. Sweeney. Adil, show me. Turn on your video. Very good, Adrika. Yes, Aharni, show me. Yes, very good, Dipayan. Very good, Anindya. Very good, Serin. Very good, Tanveer. Yes, very good, all of you. All of you have completed? Very nice. Very good, Saptapanna.
Munuma.
Aratrika, have you completed? Turn on your video,
Ada
everyone.
kata kan lo?
Riskin, turn on your video. Have you completed? Aratrika, Riskin, all of you unmute yourself. Very good, Tafim. Tafim, very good. Tarania, have you completed? Tarania? Start your video, everyone. Yes, very good. Very good, Prakriti. Very good. Very good, Mehreen Haq. Gaurav Bhattacharya, have you completed?
I am not completed.
Yes, very good. Very good, Gaurav. Sampurna, have you completed? Priyam, Sampurna, Adrija. Very good, children. All. Yes. Okay. Okay, children. All of you finished? All of you can see here chapter number 33. Chapter number 33. All of you open. See the chapter number 33. What is here? Musical instruments. All of you follow the screen, children. Musical instruments. Write S for string instruments, W for wind instruments, and P for percussion instruments in the box given with each picture. So you can see here what is string instruments. First I will tell you about the instruments. Okay. So what is strings instrument?
Instrument.
Instruments are played by plucking, strumming, picking, or bowing the strings. Okay. So it is played by the help of the strings. By plucking, strumming,
String instrument.
picking, or bowing. Okay. Now, what is wind instruments? Wind instruments makes music when the player blows into its tube throughout a mouthpiece. Okay, it is called a wind instrument. And what is percussion instrument? Percussion instruments are played by banging or shaking. So these are the difference between the three instruments. Now, can you tell me what is this instruments? Violin is wind, percussion, or
String
string?
instrument.
Very good.
String instrument.
Very good. Now see number 2. Drum. Drum is string, wind, or percussion?
Percussion instrument.
Percussion. Very good. Now number 3. Flute. String, percussion, or wind?
Wind instrument. Wind instrument.
Yes. Very good. Wind instrument. Now number 4. C. Saxophone. What is that? Wind, string, or
Wind
percussion?
instrument.
Wind instrument. Very good.
Wind instrument.
Yes.
Wind instrument.
Number 5.
Unmute me.
Yes, you are muted.
Instrument.
Wind, veena,
String instrument.
percussion, or string?
String instrument.
String instrument. Yes, very good, children. Now see this one. Wind, string, or percussion? Banjo?
String instrument.
Instrument.
String instrument.
Very good. Now see this tabla. Is it string, wind, or percussion?
Percussion instrument.
Percussion.
Percussion.
Yes, we bang on the percussion tabla. Okay, so it is percussion. Now see this one, trumpet. Is it string, wind, or percussion?
Wind instrument. Wind instrument.
Wind. Yes, very good. Now see this one, cymbals. What is this?
Percussion instrument.
Yes, very good. So, number 1 is string instrument. Violin is string instrument.
String instrument.
Number 2 is drum. Drum is
Percussion instrument.
Number 3, flute is
Wind instrument.
Number 4,
Wind
saxophone is
instrument.
wind instrument.
Wind instrument.
Veena is
String instrument.
and banjo is
String instrument.
Don't shout, children.
Ma'am, in our English book, it is there. Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Yes, next to godliness. Yes, cleanliness is next to godliness. Yes, tabla is
Percussion
trumpet is so the tabla is also wind instrument. Yes, cymbals is percussion instrument. Okay, so these are the answers. Okay, so these are the difference between wind string instruments, wind instruments, and percussion instruments. So these are the instruments, and so many different ideas are adopted to play the instruments. Okay. Okay, children, what you will do after this classwork, whatever we will do, you will learn all the chapters by heart. Okay. Practice more and more. And did you know it's very important? So please mark this one. Please mark this one, which is important. Okay. Mark it. Okay, all of you. Okay, children.